Hey guys, welcome to another video of CodeCon. Today I'm starting a new series where I'll be solving these LeetCode 50 SQL problems. You can also try these questions along with me. I'll be sharing the link of the same. I'll be solving the first problem, and the problem goes like: we need to find the employees whose manager has left the company, right? So this is a schema that we are being provided with, and we can see that we are having employee ID, name, the manager ID, and the salary. So the question says that we need to find the IDs of the employees whose salary is strictly less than 30,000 and whose manager has left the company. When a manager leaves the company, their information is deleted from the employees table, but the reports still have their manager ID set to the manager that left. Okay, so it means like that. If a manager leaves the company, then his ID will be deleted from the employee ID, but that manager ID will be still existing in the manager column, right? So if you see in this particular table, you can see that for employee ID 3 the manager is 9, and if you need to check that whether this manager is present or not, then we will see the employee ID column, right? So if I find this manager ID 9 in the employee ID column, then it means he is still present in the company, right? I can see here. So he is present in the company. For employee ID 12, there is no manager ID. Similarly for 13, there is a manager ID. But for 1, we are having the manager ID 11. Now we need to check it whether this manager ID is present in this employee ID column or not. It is present, so it is good to go. But for 9 it is null, so we will not do anything for this. For 11 it is for 11 the employee ID 11, we are having the manager ID 6. Now we will check whether this manager ID 6 is present in the employee ID column or not. As you can see, there is no manager ID, there is no employee ID 6 in the employee ID column. So it means that the employee with the manager ID 6 has left actually, right? So we need to print this employee ID whose manager has left the company. So it is meeting those two conditions. The first condition being the salary is less than 30,000, right? The second condition being the manager has left the company. So for that, what I will do is that I simply have to deal with employee ID, right? So I'll just paste this employee ID from Atho. Okay, from employees where uh, where where the manager ID, right? Where the manager ID not in select manager ID from employees, right? And the salary uh, is less than 30,000. We need to order this by employee ID, right? So what I did is that I selected those employee ID whose manager ID is not in the select employee. Okay, select employee ID whose manager ID is not in the employee ID column of the employees table, right? It indicates that the manager has left the company. Okay, and also the second condition says that the salary is less than 30,000, and I am just ordering this by the employee ID, right? Let's run this. Okay. So yeah, it's accepted, and now let's submit this. Yeah, it's submitted, right? So I hope this solution is clear to you guys. I'll be sharing more such problems and solutions. Keep a watch, and thank you.